How to find mentions in chat, notifications, settings on VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find it easy and quick. First open VK and now click here, and on here click these three lines and then click wait, where is it, this one, settings, and then click notifications, and here we'll find it. Now just click on it and manage it, it's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.